This video shows how to buy shares of Solid Forsakring AB, ticker SFAB.ST, a Swedish insurance company trading on CBOE EU. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker SFAB.ST to locate the listing. Select the matching Solid Forsakring AB entry to open its stock page. On the stock page, review basic company details and the price chart to confirm you have the correct security. Check the exchange shows CBOE EU and the ticker SFAB.ST to be sure. Tap Investor Trade, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm to submit. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for the next session. And if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to the platform used in this walkthrough is available in the description.